When Freddie was about 3.5, 4 months old, we began to realise that the back of his head was slightly misshapen. We saw a doctor who diagnosed plagiocephaly and recommended we speak to the team at Mobilis. So that was when Freddie was roughly 4 months old. Hi, my name's Stephen, and this is my wife Lauren and our son Freddie, who is 10 months old. So we met with the team at Mobilis, who very quickly recommended that we look at the talee helmet for Freddie. They explained to us the process, that the helmet was a very effective way of helping to guide Freddie's head shape over the next few months. And they explained to us that it wasn't painful, just something that he would, have to get used to, but would be a hopefully very effective way to correct what was identified as quite a severe deformity.
So we didn't really have many challenges to start with. Freddie got used to the helmet really quickly. Now that he's getting a little bigger, it's a little more challenging because he wants to take the helmet off each time we put it on, but we really didn't have many challenges in the beginning.
Our experience dealing with the team has been excellent throughout the last 5 or 6 months. We've gone back to Mobilis for monthly scans to track the progress, and then to have Freddie re-measured for the second helmet because we really saw the benefits of the first one. And the team were very good to explain where there might still be room for improvement. And they've just been very helpful and taking the time to make sure that we understand the process right from day one.
So the most progress that we seen was when we went back for the second scan. Within the first 3 to 4 weeks there had been huge progress. And then again after the first helmet was done, we went for the second helmet, and now he's moved from a very severe deformity to a moderate deformity, which is huge progress.